Tax season was right around the corner the day she walked in. Her small business was being audited and she needed my help. She sat down and told me her story. She had been running a small business and she thought everything was running smooth. But then she got a letter in the mail from the IRS saying she owed thousands of dollars in back taxes. I knew right away that this was serious business. I took the case and started investigating. I dug through her financial records and talked to her employees, and what I found was shocking. Inaccurate reporting of income, excessive deductions, mixing personal and business expenses, misclassifying workers, the list went on and on. At this point, her messy books were the least of her worries. She'd been raising every red flag in the book for years. She thought she could get away with it. But the IRS finally caught up with her. They always do. I had to break the news to her that she was in deep trouble. Tax fraud is a serious crime, and the consequences can be severe. She could face fines, penalties, and even jail time. She was in over her head. As I watched her leave my office, I couldn't help but think that this all could have been avoided. Small business owners need to understand that they can't cut corners when it comes to taxes. The best way to avoid IRS trouble is to be honest and accurate with your tax returns. Keep good records and hire a professional monthly accounting firm to ensure that everything is done correctly. It's also important to know how to avoid an IRS audit in the first place. The IRS is more likely to audit you if you have mistakes on your tax return or if your deductions seem too high. Be sure to report all of your income and only claim deductions that are legitimate. Keep detailed records of your expenses and be prepared to show proof if you are audited. I really felt for the dame, but her story was just one of many that served as a stark reminder that tax fraud is serious and the consequences can be severe. Small business owners need to be vigilant and make sure that they are doing everything right. And if they need help, they should turn to a professional accounting firm like CSI Accounting and Payroll to ensure that they don't get in trouble with the IRS.